I like it, it's cool actually. Thanks. Yeah.
These capes are for putting on your back.
And they're for superheroes, like flying around so it has a good effect.
We made our own design on the capes.
Andrew drew it because he's an artist and we don't.
It's like two wrists together, like that link a chain.
Like this.
Like these.
To symbol anti-bullying.
Anti-bullying.
We got superheroes, but we want to do something creative as well as girly, not just plain superheroes. So I think our decaf worked out quite well. It's really fun, a bit challenging as well. But yeah, overall it was really exciting and something new.
So we made our costumes out of recycled materials.
It's being environmentally friendly. And we also learned how to perform, which was quite good. It makes us a bit more confident.
Good luck for the show, all right? Well done, everybody. We're going to have a good show. We're going to have a good time. We're going to have a marvellous job. Are you ready? Here we go. We go. Ba, 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 ba. That's the rehearsal. Here we go. And